Hey guys, Anthony here, and yesterday I assembled one of these. It's a Blinkstick version 1. I picked this up over at adafruit.com. It took a few days to arrive, but it's here now, and I assembled it yesterday afternoon. So this is a small USB dongle. It's controlled by an ATtiny85 microcontroller, and on the end of it you can see there's a small RGB LED, and that's used to display any color you want from the computer, because this is controlled by software. In terms of assembly, it's pretty easy. There's only a few components to solder on the board, so it shouldn't take you too much time, and it's a lot of fun if you enjoy doing this kind of stuff. At the moment, the Blinkstick client is only Windows compatible, and since I'm using Windows, I'm using that. But if you're on Linux or Mac OS, you have to use it with Python, or I believe there's also a library for Ruby and Node.js. So for instance, if you wanted to use this with a server, let's say you have a bunch of rack mount servers and you want to plug this into each one to show the CPU load, you can do that with Python. It's pretty easy and nice and lightweight. So for my personal use, I'm using it with the Blinkstick client on Windows, as I mentioned before, and I'm having it display my CPU load in colors. And the preset for that is green, amber, and red. So red being the highest and green being the lowest. You'll see here I'm using Prime 95 to increase my CPU load here, and as you can see, it turns red right away with that. So it's actually really fast. And just a quick demo with the software, there's also a testing feature. This thing is crazy responsive, so I'm very impressed with the speed that it can get the information from the computer to the dongle. So next we'll take a look at the software. So of course CPU load isn't the only thing you could do with this. It's got settings for allowing it to notify you for email. I have it set for my Gmail account. Of course it supports any Imap account as well. Also, one thing I found really cool on this is it can do an ambilight, and that basically takes the average color of your screen and then displays it on the LED. I found that it only works with one monitor, so to test it myself I had to set my second monitor to just duplicate the first one, and it worked fine. But on dual monitor setups that has some trouble and it doesn't really work properly. So right now it's a bug, I guess, and maybe we'll see dual monitor support in the future. Again, as this is fully hackable, you can basically create your own programs for it if you'd like. Now, since the microcontroller is socketed, you can remove it, and if there's a new firmware release, you can upgrade it there. And other than that, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to pick this up, it's available at adafruit.com or blinkstick.com. And until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.